Yeah, welcome Rich's Slot Car Room. I'm Rich. Today is Tyco Tuesday. I'm going to be doing a Porsche 908 long nose today, lighted on an HP7. I did change around the room again, and I finally think I got it the way I want. The camera will go there. We'll look all the way down the track. Yeah, I think it's correct now. So yeah, I'll put you on pause. We'll bring it around over here. Check out this Porsche. Pretty cool looking Porsche 908. It is a long nose, not a short nose. It's got yellow hubs, nice new silicones. The motor is molded into the body. Yeah. And these cheap little number 7 decals are coming off. Yeah, I could probably take those off with my fingernail. They're not very good quality. This car was made by Tyco in the last few years that they supposedly made them, but it's actually from 83, 84. So I don't believe it was made by Mattel. It was made by Tyco, but like I said, I think it was in Tyco's cheaper years, and yeah, Mattel wasn't much better. I'll bring you around here and we'll put it on the dyno. Here she is, number 8. And, yeah, number 8. 83, 84, late HP7, 69, 67 is the part number. It is a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5. It's kind of rare. Number 8, we've already established. Red, silver, and number 7 with Porsche on the side. 83 catalog lists as a 917, which is incorrect. It's a 908 long nose. And it's number 1, which is motor as part of the body. And she is right there. That's pretty good. 60 plus is good. That's 70 plus there. Yeah. I'm going to oil it and put it back on the dyno, and I'll put a little Novus on the body. In case you're unfamiliar with Novus, it is made for plastic. It's clean and shine. Number 1. Number 2 is abrasive. Number 3 is really abrasive. 2 and 3 will take the decals and paint right off your car. Doesn't run too bad. Nice smooth 80. Yeah. Well, you say we take this bad boy over to the track and take her for a spin. All right. Well, hope you guys like that Porsche 908 long nose, HP7 chassis, lighted. Could use an LED bulb. Maybe I'll put one in it. Could possibly put one in there, no problem. If you're not subscribed, I wish you would. Yeah, it really helped the channel out. Hit the bell, get notified. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment about this car. Whether you like it, don't like it. Tell me what you think of it. Hope you guys like the slot car room. It will stay like this forever now. Yeah, it's not getting changed back around. It works really great this way. I like it like this, and I'm keeping it like this forever. So yeah, that's the last time you're gonna see it get changed around. I will be building pit kit Friday. I will be building a Ford F100. Yes, sir. 56 Ford F100. It is on a 4-gear chassis. The 4 gears run pretty good. They run way better than the T-Jets, or whatever the hell they're called. Run way better. Yeah, they don't run too bad. T-Jets, they don't. X-Traction has issues, but the 4-gear do not. They run real well. So I will be building one of those Friday, giving it away. Rick Baker won last Friday. He won a 68 Firebird, and he gifted it to Keith Horton, so I would be sending that out to Keith probably today. And yeah, I guess that's about all I have for you guys this week. Like I said, I will see you Friday, and yeah, 7:15 p.m. Eastern time Friday. I go live. So yeah, you guys be there or be square. Yeah, simple as that. Yeah, I will catch you guys then. Later.